Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So hello everyone. So in this video I will be analyzing some of the FMCG stocks. Okay. So let's start with Dabur. Okay. So I have one list open in this. Okay, here this is the list: Dabur, Godrej Consumer, Marico, Imami, and along with that I will also analyze Nestle, ITC, Hindustan Unilever also. Okay, so starting with Dabur. So I have currently drawn two trend lines here. Okay, 479, 660. Within this the stock is fluctuating. Okay, so let me draw one trend line like this so that I can help you understand the breakout here. Okay, in the month of July, a breakout took place. Okay, as you can see, so this was a big breakout from here, and after that the stock is in uptrend. So once you get a little bit of hang on the technical side, I mean the price action mostly, then you can understand that once there is a breakout here from a downtrend, what you can do to confirm if it is going to continue the uptrend or not is draw another trend line, secondary trend line like this. Okay, and then you can see here that Dabur has also broken this trend line as well, and currently it is the perfect buying spot. Okay, here please don't take this recommendation as a buying suggestion or anything. It is just for educational, and if you want to invest in Dabur, then please do your own analysis. Okay, I keep repeating this again and again because this is important. Okay, so you can see, let me draw one line here, Alt J. Okay, so this was acting as a resistance earlier. Okay, and after the break here, now it is here. So what we can do is you can wait for some more days to see if it holds this level or it goes down. Okay, but the pattern is actually very perfect. It is perfect. So but still we need additional confirmation, and Dabur is mostly a safe stock to invest, so there is not much harm. Okay, even if something goes wrong, it is obviously temporary, and we know that Dabur will keep going upward in future. Okay, so now what we can do is just wait to see the price action, and any price around this level here 558, and let's say even if it goes down here, you can still add some more units. Okay, so it might continue going sideways like this, or it might break out. Okay, if this trend I mean from this channel that is above 660, it can go and continue its uptrend, but I don't see it doing anytime soon. I mean not in the next few months. Obviously it will reach here and it might again come down. Okay, we do not know what is going to happen for us. So as of now, investing in Dabur is safe than trading it. Okay. So if you are an investor, do your own fundamental analysis, then you can time your entry according to the tips that I have given you. That you can watch price action at this level, current level, watch for 2 more weeks. If it shows some green candle, strong green candle, then you can buy in next month. Okay. So now let's move on to the next stock, that is Godrej Consumer. Okay. Godrej Consumer Products. Yes, so this is the one. Yes, this is the one. Okay. So here again I have switched to weekly time frame, and you can see almost the a similar price action here also. So the entire FMCG is actually in this pattern. Okay, at least 2 we have verified till now. We will see the next. Okay, now let me analyze the price action that is taking place here. Again, starting with the trend line from here to here. Okay, you can see 2 big green candles in weekly and little bit of pullback here, and again strong green candles and breaking this level. Okay, the level is 818.25, and you can see after it has broken this level, it acted as a support, strong support here, and now it is currently at this price 893. So very strong price movement in Godrej Consumer Product. Okay, so again it is also looking to go up, but it has an overhead resistance here. Okay, 1134. This is the all-time high of Godrej Consumer Product. Let's see if it is the all-time high or it has reached there earlier also. No. So 1134 is the all-time high, and currently it is at uptrend, and it will definitely reach at least 991,000, or it can go up to 1100 as well. Okay, but the speed might be slow. Okay, because the current market is slightly weak. Okay, so we cannot expect to directly go in one direction immediately like this. We cannot expect that. Okay, it might show some sideways price action, okay, like this, and continue uptrend. Okay, and after it reaches this level 1134, we do not know what is going to happen. If it will break the pattern and go up, I mean this break the all-time high and go up, or it will start a downtrend and come down again. We do not know that, but as of now it is in uptrend. That is all. That is what we can confirm. Okay, so now moving on to the next, that is Marico. Okay, okay, so when I was analyzing Marico, I have spotted this pattern here. Okay, and I have drawn 2 trend lines, and I can see Marico is fluctuating within this range. So the pattern formed here is slightly different than the other 2 stocks that we verified. Okay, Dabur and Godrej Consumer Products. Okay, so Marico also looks to be in a strong position, but it needs confirmation. I can clearly see a opportunity here. Okay, once it breaks this trend line. Let me show you one more thing. You can see when I draw a line touching these points. Okay, when I draw a line touching these points, okay, you can see that there are so many touches here, and currently Marico is at this level. So we can confirm that it will continue its uptrend towards maybe 600. Wait, what is the all-time high? 607. Okay, we can only confirm once it breaks this trend line that I have drawn, this one. Okay, let me try to draw. If it shows one big green candle like this and then starts going, then we can confirm that yes, it will go to 600. Currently it is at 506. So again we have to wait and watch. Let's zoom in once to daily time frame to see the price action. Okay, so you can see that it is partially forming maybe a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, I can see this is one shoulder, okay, and this one is bigger, so it's the head. And again from here, if it forms another shoulder like this and breaks this level and goes up, then we can confirm that the uptrend has started. So we have to watch, the date is February, so we have to watch around till February, okay, to see what is the price action that is taking place, and then we can confirm how strong the trend is in Marico. Okay, but if you are a long term investor, then you can safely invest after doing your own analysis, because FMCG stocks are mostly stable. Okay, so that is all about Marico. Okay, now let's go to the next one, that is Imami. Okay, okay, so Imami, it is, I have switched to weekly time frame. Okay, now, okay, first I will draw support levels, support and resistance. Okay, I have drawn one. You can see here is one touch. Okay, it was acting as a resistance here, then it acted as support here, and it continues uptrend, but again now it slowly came down. Again it acted as support, this level, and currently again it went up, and now it is down here again. So the support is around 395. Okay, 395. Let's see the all time high of Imami. Okay, the all time high is around 675. Currently it is at this level. So Imami is not that strong in comparison to the previous stocks that we have analyzed just now. Okay, it needs to break this trend line in monthly, weekly level, monthly or maybe weekly. So I don't see any sign of uptrend for at least March. Okay, uptrend means it can come to this level 470 around, something like that, but that can't be counted. That is just a normal price movement. We can consider the beginning of uptrend only when we see strong price action and break of a pattern like this, and it continues up its upward movement towards 600, then only we can confirm. Okay, so if you are looking for investment, then you can check out the other stocks that we just now analyzed. Imami looks to be slightly weaker, okay, in comparison, and it might not show that much amount of gain like the other previous stocks. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Okay, so we have analyzed the 4 major stocks here. Now we will analyze the other ones in this segment, that is ITC. Okay, I have also made one video specially on ITC earlier also. You can check out that one, it's in my playlist. Okay, so ITC has reached its all time high. Wait, let's confirm it. Yes, the all time high is 367, and now it came closer to 367, but it did not touch. Okay, it came to 361, and it is showing some weak price movement. So we have to see if the price movement again starts going up and touches that level and breaks, or it comes down like this. If it breaks it and goes up, or again comes down, we have to see. Okay, so as of now it cannot be confirmed, but if you are looking for investment, it's better to wait for a while. Let's zoom in to see the daily. Okay, in the daily chart also it looks weak. Okay, and we cannot confirm that it is going to go up right away. It needs to show some big green candles and some price movement, then only we can confirm. So do not buy at any resistance level, even not for investing, not for trading. Okay, because, and especially in this case, because you can see here the candles are getting smaller and smaller, then red candles also started appearing, then again smaller green candles and bigger red candles. So it is obviously getting weak. So it is not at all the good time to make an entry in this stock. Okay, you have to wait for it till it takes support at some level, then only you can make entry. So that is all for ITC. Now let's go to the next one, that is Nestle. Nestle India, this is the one. Okay, so let's first go to monthly time frame. So Nestle is actually very good performer, and you can see I have also made one video on Nestle. Okay, if not, then I will try to make one. Okay, I have posted in Instagram, I remember, about Nestle's smooth price movement. Okay, and I will try to make one video on especially on this one. Okay, so as of now, Nestle has recently made its all-time high. It has touched 20,970. Okay, and now let's zoom in. Okay, when we zoom in, we see that in weekly time frame, although it has recently reached its all-time high, but it is getting weak here. There is no strong price action here. Okay, and it might show some price movement like this. Again, one more swing maybe, and it can come down to this level, and then from there we do not know if it will go sideways and break, or it might come down. We do not know, but as of now we can see that it is getting weaker. Okay, and obviously this is also not the right time to enter in Nestle. I have drawn one trend line here connecting these two, and you can see as soon as it broke this trend line, it immediately started going up. It went up around 10% in 1 month. Okay, we can also draw one more trend line like this, or let me just modify this one, else there will be too many trend lines and it will look very confusing. The chart will look confusing. Okay, so if you draw a trend line like this, you can see that after traveling this distance, it again took support at this trend line. Okay, and the trend line is also resting on this level of support, which was a resistance earlier, this one. Okay, this is the one. Let me highlight. Okay, it was acting as resistance here, and then it became support here. Okay, it became support here, and currently it is at this level. So as of now also we do not know how far it will go, or if it will come down to this level. So again, for this one also the recommendation will be to watch. Okay, keep watch on this one. Okay, now let's go to a big company, that is Hindustan Unilever. Okay, so Hindustan Unilever is also showing the same price action, sideways price action. Okay, not very strong. Okay, it is going like this only. So as of now, it is not the time to enter. Okay, only enter when it shows some green candles. Okay, green candles in a pattern. Sorry about that. Okay, let's zoom into daily time frame. Okay, back to back red candles. If you want to make an entry, you can make at this level, 2400. Okay, and if you do not mind paying 100 to 150 rupees extra, then you can make entry now also, not an issue, because this is a good stock. But also do your own fundamental analysis before investing. Okay, so for Hindustan Unilever, we have to also wait and watch. So the only two stocks which look strong and might go up are Dabur and Godrej Consumer Products. Okay, these are the two stocks which I can see. Now let's move on to another stock that is recently listed, that is Adani Wilmar. I haven't analyzed it in this channel at all. Okay, let's clear all the drawings and analyze it from the beginning. Okay, from the day of listing, in the month of listing itself. Okay, we'll it is not able to measure. It gave around 67% return, okay, in just 1 month in the month of listing. And from the initial point, as of now, it has given around 186. Okay, now it has come down. So this was the resistance level for the stock, okay, in weekly, but then it came down. Now it is again showing bullish action. It might go up also again to its all-time high 887. Let's zoom into the daily time frame action. Okay, let me try to draw one trend line, and the break of this trend line will obviously hint towards change of trend. It can be like this, it can be like this also. Anything is fine. It is close. Okay, I have taken these 2 points. Okay, this one, there are so many touches here also. So we can expect a price movement like this. Okay, if it occurs, or else it can go so sideways and go down. These are only the 2 options that can take place. So currently we cannot say anything about Adani Wilmar. The price action is not very smooth. You can clearly see this, the gaps, okay, big gaps you can see. So, and again, after a long downtrend, again it is going up, but with big gaps. Let's check the volume ones. Volumes are okay, normal, not that much. Okay, volumes are not very high, so we cannot expect the change of trend here. It might continue this sideways action only, like this, and unless it shows any strong price movement, we cannot make an entry. Okay, let's wait for at least the end of the month, and then we can decide if we should enter or not. Okay, so we have covered this many, and you can type in the chat box if you think I have missed any other FMCG stock. Okay, yeah, I can remember some more. Let's analyze Colgate. Copal India, yeah, this is the one. So you can see very smooth price action from the date of listing to the present. It has given around 600% return, but it has been steady. That is very important. Okay, so this is a very stable stock. Now let's go to weekly, and first of all let me mark the all-time high 1823. Okay, and as of now you can see that after hitting at this support level, it could not touch the earlier high point. Okay, and now again it is going down, so it is getting weaker here. Okay, it might show some action like this, price action, and after it reaches here, then it might show sideways movement and go up. We do not know, but as of now it is weak. So this is not a point of entry. You can enter. See, let me show you what is the ideal time of entry. So this was an ideal time, okay, around 21st December 2021. Okay. The price might come back again to that level, but you cannot discard your analysis saying that the price came back to the previous level, so you did not get any good percentage of return in the last 1 year from the stock. You cannot say that, because that is what happens with stocks. It will give like 1 to 2% return in 1 or 2 year. Okay, you will not see much difference, and in the third year it might go up like 40%, 50%. It is never a linear path. Okay, so the only thing you can do is do your own fundamental analysis and invest only in good stocks at the right time. Okay, at the proper time of entry. Like the proper time of entry was here. You can see the price was getting weak. Let me close the volume. The price was weak here, red candles, and then some sign of strength appeared again, red candles, then again big green candles, and finally, and this you can see the morning star pattern. Let me highlight. If you do not know what is morning star pattern, I will cover it in another pattern video. Okay. This red candle, then one doji, then one green candle. Okay, morning star pattern, and you can see this big break of around 4%. Okay, and then it started its uptrend. So it might reach this level 1477 and again start going up. Okay, so as of now it is going down, so it might touch this level. Let's wait and watch what is happening next. Okay, for Colgate Palmolive, that is all. Now let's go to Britannia Industries. Okay, let's go to monthly first. Okay, and you can see that Britannia has recently broken its all-time high. The previous company, some have touched its all-time high, but it was weak in its all-time high. But Britannia is strong. Okay, this was the all-time high for a long time. Okay, around 1 year, 4139, somewhere around that. Then it broke that line with a lot of strength. You can see gap up, and I think the volume will also be high. Yes, you can see the volume is higher. This candle, let me bring it this side. You can see this green color volume bar is bigger than the average size of the bar. Okay, so that shows strength, and after breaking it with a lot of strength, it kept going up for some more weeks also, and now it is taking slight pullback, and it might take support in this level 415, 4148, 4150, let's say. So at that will be a very good place of buying. Okay, so what you can do is keep watch on the stock, and as soon as it comes here, then wait for some green bullish movement, green candles to show some bullish action in daily at least. Okay, and you can draw a trend line connecting to some high points like this, and once it breaks, then only you enter, because you do not know that it will stay there, or if the entire market is weak, then it might come down. Okay, it might show some action like this, and instead of breaking like that, it might go down also. So better to buy on confirmation. So that is all. I have covered almost all the major FMCG companies. That's all for this live stream. I will create one more stream with a good topic very soon. Thank you, and please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you and have a great day.